Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. Today I have brought one of the most important topics of English language. So before going to start my session, I would like to give some examples. With the help of real life examples, I would like to teach this lesson. So where am I? I am sitting beside the chair. I am sitting beside the chair. So beside word here. Where am I? I am sitting behind the chair. Now, I am sitting in front of the chair. In front of, beside and behind. Words in front of, behind and beside. These three words are prepositions. So in this session, I would like to discuss about preposition. I would like to teach new lesson about prepositions. What is there on the chair? It is a laptop. My laptop is on the chair. On the chair. So word on is also a preposition. What is there in my hand? A plastic container of colorful sketches. So I am placing this container here. Where is the container? Plastic container. Plastic container is, the plastic container is under the chair. So word under, on, beside, in front of and behind. These all are prepositions. Preposition is very important topic and it is very vast topic. In English language, we have almost 150 prepositions. In today's session, I would like to teach you two important prepositions. Let me give you examples and explanation about today's lesson. So in today's session, we are going to learn about prepositions. Prepositions are words which show the position of nouns or pronouns in the sentence. So let us learn with the help of examples. In today's session, we are going to learn about beside and besides. Beside, B-E-S-I-D-E, beside, and besides, B-E-S-I-D-E-S. So what is the difference between these two prepositions? How can we make use of these two prepositions? With the help of examples, we are going to learn in today's session. Beside means next to. Okay, next to. Beside means next to. Rahul sat beside his sister. Rahul sat beside his sister. So in this example, we have preposition beside. Okay, word beside is the preposition. Okay, it is a preposition. So I am writing preposition here. It is a preposition. Rahul sat beside his sister. So here, what is the preposition? Beside. Beside means next to. What is the meaning of beside? Beside means next to. Okay, the meaning of beside means next to. Rahul sat beside his sister. I love sitting beside the fire on cold winter nights. So here word beside is, preposition. Preposition word here beside is a preposition. Okay, beside means next to. What is the meaning of beside? Beside means next to. What is the meaning of besides? Besides means in addition to or apart from. In addition to or apart from. That is the meaning of besides. For example, in addition to vegetables, she also needs fruits. In addition to or apart from or in addition to. Okay, besides math, John teaches English also. So here beside, what is the meaning of beside preposition? Preposition beside is here and it is a meaning, but the meaning of preposition is in addition to. Okay, so what is the meaning of this preposition besides? Besides means in addition to. Prepositions are very important for all competitive exams. So let us do some exercise. In order to get perfection in this lesson, we will do some exercise. Exercise for all exams, all competitive exams. Without prepositions, there is no concept of conducting competitive exams. So in all competitive exams, we have prepositions. Prepositions are very important for all competitive exams. So let us learn exercise for all exams. So here I feel, first one, I feel lonely. I feel lonely. Please come and sit dash me. Can you guess what will be the answer? Yes, you are 100% right. I feel lonely. Please come and sit beside, B-E-S-I-D-E, beside me. Okay, it means please sit next to me. Please sit, come and sit next to me, beside me or next to me. Next one, is anyone coming dash Rahul? Is anyone coming dash Rahul? Beside or besides? Okay, so here right answer is besides. Besides Rahul. Okay, Taj Mahal was built right beside a river. Next one, so here what is the answer? Can you guess please? Yes, you are right. Besides. Besides literature, what did you study at university? It means in addition to literature. In addition to literature, what did you study? So what did you study besides literature? Besides literature, what did you study at university? It means in addition to literature, what did you study? More subjects. Okay, next one, last one, dash John, who else has not completed the project? Okay, so answer is yes, you are right, of course. Besides John, who else has not completed the project? Okay. So I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Have a great day. Enjoy learning. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.